2nd, we have CSX engine 7225 and CSX engine 7236. No DP today. We are 220 empties, 5,421 tons, 11,312 feet, and our understanding has all been okay to go. PTC is going to work, TO is not going to work. I have a tracking number. Would you like that?
Do you guys have a different radio? I caught most of that, but your radio is pretty bad, over.
Barely hear you. I don't know if you're on the wrong tower or if it's just mine or what.
You have like a handset or a different radio you can use, over?
How's this sound?
Not much better, but okay. Yeah, I copied most of that there. I need a couple things from you, though. The chief wants to know, is all your power on the head end, over?
Yes, all the power's on the head end. We do not have no DP.
Okay, and what's the order there? The 924 followed by the 3331, then the 7225 and the 7236?
Oh, that is correct, over.
Okay. Alright, roger that. And, so you said it was okay to go over length, is that what you're doing?
That's what the yard master told us. Someone initialized it and said it was okay to go over length. We came up here and they had initials or something. I don't know what they are or anything like that. If you want, I can go talk to him. And also, TO is not working. I do have a tracking number if you'd like that.
I copied that. I don't need the tracking number as long as you have it. It's okay. So stand by just a minute here. Let me get the okay with the chief and make sure you're good to go. No one told me anything about that, so just stand by just a minute.
Roger, stand by.
Alright, it'll be part 2. This is part 1, and part 2 will be coming up. E750-21.